Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Ever wondered how to make a delicious and easy pasta with minced meat and cheese? A dish that's comforting, satisfying, and packed with flavor? A meal that could be your next favorite go-to recipe? Stay tuned to discover a simple yet mouth-watering pasta recipe. To start off, here are the ingredients you'll need. Let's begin with 250 grams of your preferred pasta. Then you'll need 200 grams of minced meat. For the aromatics, we have 1 medium-sized onion and 2 cloves of garlic, both finely chopped. To bring it all together, we'll use half a cup of tomato sauce. Spice it up with half a teaspoon each of paprika and cumin. No dish is complete without some cheese, so get ready with half a cup of your favorite shredded cheese. For seasoning, have some salt and pepper on hand. And of course, we'll need some cooking oil to sauté our ingredients. Remember, the choice of cheese is flexible, so feel free to use what you like best. Parmesan, cheddar, mozzarella, Gouda, or feta. Each brings a unique flavor to the table. With these ingredients in hand, you're ready to start cooking. Begin by boiling the pasta as per the instructions on the packet. Remember to salt the water generously for a flavor-packed pasta. Once it's perfectly al dente, strain the pasta and keep some of the pasta water aside. While the pasta is boiling, heat some cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Toss in the finely chopped onions, stirring them until they become transparent and slightly golden. This caramelization process really brings out their sweet, mellow flavor. Next, add the minced garlic to the pan, stirring it for a minute until its aroma wafts through the kitchen. Garlic, as we know, is the secret ingredient that adds a depth of flavor to any dish. Now it's time for the minced meat. Add it to the pan and continue to stir until it's cooked thoroughly and turns a delicious shade of brown. The key here is to break down the meat into small pieces as it cooks, ensuring an even distribution in the pasta. Pour in the tomato sauce, stirring it with the minced meat for a couple of minutes. The sauce adds a tangy dimension to the dish, balancing the richness of the meat. Now sprinkle in the paprika and cumin, stirring well to distribute the spices. These spices lend a smoky, earthy flavor that complements the meat and tomato sauce beautifully. Time to add the cooked pasta to the pan. Stir well so that every strand of pasta is coated with the sauce and minced meat, absorbing all their wonderful flavors. Finally, sprinkle the shredded cheese into the pan, stirring continuously until it melts and mingles with the rest of the ingredients. Cheese, of course, adds a creamy, indulgent touch to the pasta, making it irresistibly delicious. And voila, your pasta with minced meat and cheese is ready to be served. Enjoy this hearty, satisfying dish that's a surefire hit with both kids and adults alike. And remember, cooking is all about having fun, so feel free to experiment with different types of pasta, meat, and cheese. Happy cooking! Now for the final touch. To elevate this delectable meat and cheese pasta, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. It adds a pop of color and a hint of freshness that perfectly complements the rich, savory flavors of the dish. Want to make it a complete meal? A crisp side salad or a slice of warm garlic bread would be an excellent accompaniment. Both options would provide a lovely contrast to the pasta's robust, hearty character. Bon appétit! In recap, today you've learned how to make a delectable pasta with minced meat and cheese. We started with 250 grams of your favorite pasta, followed by 200 grams of minced meat. A medium-sized onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and half a cup of tomato sauce added depth and flavor to our sauce. A sprinkle of paprika and cumin brought out the warmth and richness of the dish. We didn't forget the cheese. Half a cup of your preferred grated cheese melted into the sauce, bringing everything together in a creamy, mouth-watering harmony. A pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and voila! You have a delicious pasta dish ready to be served and savored. Remember, this recipe is versatile. Feel free to experiment with different types of cheeses or add your favorite spices to make it your own. Whether you're a Parmesan person, a cheddar champion, a mozzarella maven, or a Gouda guru, there's room for your preferences in this dish. So don't hesitate. Roll up your sleeves, get your pots and pans ready, and give this recipe a try. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.